And this is how our basic item sorter works, just by stacking items. So when we put items in this input barrel here, the hoppers below it will take it out and attempt to travel across, will take the items across like this into this unsorted items barrel. However, you'll notice that there's a hopper below here, and this is full of sandstone. So if we do put sandstone in here, the items will flow across, and because the priority of hoppers is always downwards, the sandstone will stack with itself and end up down here. Any other item though, we put it in, it doesn't stack with sandstone, and ends up in the unsorted items barrel. So this is the concept of the very popular, very standard Impulse SV item sorter. We have the same setup as before. The input will be right here, the unsorted barrel will be right here, and all of the sorted items will end up down here. Now taking a look behind the scenes, all of this redstone right here is only here to keep the filter items in this hopper. We didn't have to worry about that before because the hopper wasn't pointing into anything, but if it was, we would instantly lose all of our filter items. So that's what this redstone is doing. This torch in specific is doing all of the heavy lifting. It is powering this block, which is powering this hopper, which deactivates it, and this hopper stops pulling items from the filter hopper. And the only way to turn this torch off, therefore unlocking this hopper, would be to add more items to this hopper. So as you can see, we have 45 total items in this hopper, which just so happens to be right below the signal strength of 3 when read by a comparator. So when we add 46 total items, you can see that 46th item instantly drops down to our chest down here because the comparator reads that, sends a signal strength of 3, which powers the repeater and depowers our torch, allowing that one item to fall through to our output. Another